Hey guys, so my name is Anaya and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I'm going to tell you some things about me. And after I tell you that, I'm going to be showing you all my slimes. And I'm not going to, I have a slime on the floor, but I'm not going to pick it up. So yeah. So the first thing about me is that I love slime. I love slime. So I love slime. And the next thing, shout out to Zara. That's my best friend. So if you're watching this video, love you, girl. Okay, the next thing about me is that in the next video, I'm going to be showing you my Christmas haul. What I got for Christmas. So yeah. So the next thing I'm going to be telling you guys is that if you guys give me hate, then I'm gonna give you hate back, and I'm gonna delete the comments that you said, and you're just gonna get unfollowed. So yeah, and then the thing about me, I'm Dominican and black. I have 7 brothers. Got 4 brothers on my dad's side. We all don't have this. On my dad's side, we all have the same father, but on my mom's side, we don't have the same father. So yeah, but my brother in the room, my middle brother, well, you can say that my father is his father because he says that's his father. I don't care. He just says that, so I really don't care. So let's get this video started. Wait. Okay, I don't know if I can do the edit yet because I don't know how to do it. So let's just get the video started. Okay, the first slime is my purple snow slime. My purple snow slime. This is my slime. And when my mom comes back, wherever she is, I'm not gonna tell you where she is. But when Mama comes back, I am going to be showing you my mom. She's so beautiful. She's my best mom. She's the best mom ever. She's the best mom I can ever have. And by the way, I only have one mom, so she's the best mom I can ever have in the world. So yeah, and I got a hoverboard from my mom from Christmas. Me and my brother got a hoverboard, and it's over there. I'm gonna show you in my video. So yeah, it's just charging. So this is the first slime, my purple snow slime. And mommy, if you're watching this, see you when you come back. Yeah. Next slime is and I have 3. I actually have 3 purples. I actually have 3 slimes. This one. Well, you can say this white, and you can say this is gray, but I still say it's purple. So this is one of my bad slimes. I don't like this one. So yeah. This is my other slime, my sticky slime. This one is purple snow. This one is called purple snow. This one is called McDonald's slime. Oh no, I'm just making up names. This one is called candy slime. Candy slime is sticky. Okay, I'm not gonna take it out because my mom's gonna get mad at me. I'm not trying to get my butt whooped. My mom is really nice, but don't get into her because she will whoop your butt. I'm kidding. So this is my other slime. And mommy, if you're watching this video, I'm sorry I put this on your table, but I'm gonna wipe it up when Auntie comes back. And I'm gonna wipe it up before Auntie comes back, actually. So, this is one of my good slimes. I love this slime. This one is called bubblegum slime. See? I love this. So, in the next video, I am going to be showing you what I got for Christmas. So, let's get the video started. Hope you like this video. Bye.